Welcome to Rizzi, and the next topic in circuits chapter is power of a point. Power of a point here. Power of a point. Let S is equal be a circle. The standard form of circle equation S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0 be a circle, and I am drawing circle with center C is a center and R be the radius. This is R is the radius, and a point P is outside of the circle, that is P of x1 comma y1, and the distance from CP square minus R square is called power of a point. Power of a point is nothing but a point the distance from center, the square of distance from center to point outside of the circle is subtracted from the radius square is called power of a point. Cp square minus R square. The difference between the distance of Cp square, the square of distance Cp square minus R square is called power of a point. The distance Cp square, this distance square subtracted from the radius square is called a power of a point here. Listen carefully. And one more definition for a power of a point. Let S is equal 0 be a circle, and drawing a circle here, and here a secant line, this is a secant line intersecting a circle at 2 points A and B, and a point P is lies on a circle x comma y. It is outside of the circle, then PA into PB is equal to H11 is also called a power of circle. Here power of circle is two types. The definition of power of circle is two types. The distance from center to the square of distance from Cp square, here Cp square minus R square is called power of circle, and it is, the definition is nothing but the difference between the square of Cp square minus R square is called power of circle, and a secant line intersecting a circle at 2 points A and B, this is A and this is B, and a point P is lies on a line, secant line outside of the circle, then the distance, the product of PA distance and PB distance is equal to H11 is also called a power of a point here. And let's take one example of power of point here. Find the power of point at 2, 3 with respect to S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is a circle equation. The solution for this one is given that S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 is a circle equation, and P of x comma y, that is 2, 3. Let's find S11, that is equal, substitute the values of x and y in the equation. 2 whole square plus 3 whole square minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 6 is equal 0, and 2 square is nothing but 4, 3 square is nothing but 9, 2 2 is 4 plus 3 3 is 9 minus 6. Here plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. 9 plus 9 18, 18 minus 6, 18 minus 6, that is equal 12. This is S11 is equal 12 here. This is the power of point of this circle at the point P2, 3. And some more points on power of a point, some more points, special points of power of a point. Those are the first one. Here the power, if a circle is, this is a circle, S is equal 0, and if H11 is equal to 0, if H11 is equal to 0, the power of point is 0, and if H11 is greater than 0, the power of point is outside of the circle, outside of the circle, outside of the circle. And if power of point is less than 0, S11 is less than 0, that is the power of point, the power of point is inside the circle, inside the circle. This is all about the power of a point. And the equation of a chord joining the 2 points x1 and y1, that is equal to the equation of a chord joining 2 points. Here let S is equal 0 be a circle, and the equation of chord joining 2 points on a power of a circle, the equation of chord joining 2 points, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Then the equation of chord is s1 plus s2, that is equal to s12. This is the equation of chord when 2 points of a chord are given. Here s1 plus s2, that is equal to s12. This is the equation of chord. This is the chord here. The equation of chord, the equation of chord is when 2 points are given, s1 plus s2, that is equal to s12. This is the condition. And the next one is, if the radius, here if the radius of a circle, then a line which is at distance from the, then the chord of intercept length, then the chord of intercept length is, and the next topic is, let S is equal to 0 be a circle here, and this is a center C, and this is R be the radius, and the perpendicular distance to a chord is called D. The distance is perpendicular distance to a chord is D, and this is length of intercept I am taking. I am assuming this is length of intercept here. We need to find the length of this chord here, and consider this is a right angle triangle here. Then L is equal, from the Pythagoras theorem, R square is equal to D square plus L square. Here we require the length of intercept. This is the length of intercept here. L square is equal to R square minus D square. Here we require only L, that is equal length of intercept. L is equal to square root of R square minus D square. Here this is only the length of this one. Here this is the midpoint of this chord. This is L plus L. We can consider this is L plus L. L plus L is nothing but 2L. 2L is equal 2L is equal R square plus D, R square minus D square plus R square minus D square. We can write as here L is equal, this total length of chord is equal, length of chord can be written as 2 into R square minus D square. This is completely, 2L is nothing but length of chord, and L is nothing but intercept. This is all about the power of point. And the next topic is the example problem of the length of chord here. Example problem for length of chord is here. Find the length of chord intercept by the circle. Is given one circle, s is equal 0, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal 0, and on the line of x plus y minus 1 is equal 0. The solution for this one is given that x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal 0, and this is equation number 1, and the line equation, line is equal x plus y minus 1 is equal 0, this is equation number 2. From these two, the center is minus g comma minus f, that is nothing but minus 2 by 2gx, minus into minus and minus of minus 4 by 2, that will give 2 1 ja 2 1 ja, and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that will gives minus of minus 1 1 and minus of minus 2, that is 2. The center is 1 comma 2, and the radius is r, center C is, and the radius r is equal g square plus f square minus c. G square is nothing but here, this is minus g minus f. G is nothing but 1, g is nothing but minus 1 whole square, f is nothing but minus 2, c is nothing but minus 1, c is nothing but minus 1. 1 square minus 1 square is 1, and 2 square is 4 minus 1. Minus 1 will get cancelled, square root of 4, that is equal to 2 units. Radius equal to 2 we got, and here we required perpendicular distance D. Here I am drawing a circle. This is R and this is a distance, perpendicular distance. This is the line equation he is given. Here we require the length of chord value here. This is center C here, and R we got here and C we got here, and we need to find D here. D is nothing but, the formula of D is modulus of ax plus by plus c, ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. This is the perpendicular distance formula here, and here a1, a is nothing but here, a is nothing but the equation from a 1, and x1 is, this is the center 1 plus b is nothing but 1 here again, next 2, and plus c is here, c is minus 1 here, divided by a square plus b square, 1 square plus 1 square, 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 1 by root 2, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2 unit. Root 2 here, D is equal to root 2 we got here, and the length of chord formula is, the length of chord, the length of chord is 2 into r square minus d square. This is the formula here, 2 into r square minus d square, where r is equal to, we got here 2, where r is equal we got here 2 square minus d is equal to, here we got root 2. Root 2 whole square. Square and root get cancelled here. 2 into 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 minus 2. Again 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 here. 2 root 2 unit. And the length of chord is, therefore the length of chord is 2 root 2 units. This is all about to find the length of chord intersected by the circle given on the line. And the next topic is tangent of a circle, tangent line or tangent of a circle. Tangent line, tangent line or tangent of a circle. A line which is touches at one point to a circle is called tangent line. Let S be the S is equal to be a circle. This is a circle. A line which is touches at one point on a circle is called, this is called tangent line. This line is touches at one point, only one point is called a tangent line to a circle, tangent to a circle. This is called a tangent to a circle. This line is called tangent to a circle. It touches at one point on a circle. We can draw many tangents to a circle like this. This is one point. It touches at only one point. These are called tangent lines. So, and the point which is at intersecting at one point is called, the point, a tangent line is intersecting at one point is called, this point is called point of contact. Point of contact. This point is called point of contact. This line is called tangent line. This point, single point is called point of contact and this line is called tangent line. And here the next one is the equation of tangents. Here we learn the tangent and point of contact, and the next topic is equations of tangent to a circle. The equations of tangent to a circle. The first one, the equation of a tangent at x1 comma y1 to a circle S is equal 0 is S1 is equal 0. Here the equation of a tangent at P x1 comma y1 is point on a circle to a circle S is equal 0. S is equal 0 is nothing but a standard form of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. Then tangent line will become S1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent when S is equal to 0 is given. And the next one is the equation of tangent. Equation of a tangent at P of x1 comma y1 to a circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Then the tangent is, then it is x1 plus y1 minus a square is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent here. This is the equation of tangent here. And the next one, the equation of a tangent is at P of at theta. The equation of a tangent is at theta to a circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Then the tangent is become x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to r cos theta. This is the tangent equation of a tangent line. And the third one, next one more type of tangent line equation is the equation of a tangent, at theta to a circle s is equal 0, that is x plus g cos theta plus y plus f sin theta is equal to r cos theta. Here we have 4 types of tangent line when s is equal 0 at p of x1 comma y1 and x square plus y square is equal to standard form of circle at p of x1 comma y1, and this is first one, this is second one, and s is equal 0 at angle theta and s is equal 0, standard form of circle equation x square plus y square is equal to a square at angle. These are the 4 different types of tangent circle equations are there here, and these are the conditions for a line to be a tangent to a circle. A line to be a tangent to a circle. These are conditions. These are the conditions for a line to a tangent to a circle. The first one is y is equal to mx plus c. It is a line touches the circle which is passing through origin. This is a standard form of circle which is passing through origin. Then the condition for a tangent is c square is equal to r square of m square plus 1, where c is not center. This is not center. C is nothing but the constant value of a line y is equal to mx plus c, where c is a constant value. C square is equal to r. R is nothing but it is a radius of a circle which is passing through center, where m is slope of a line. M is nothing but slope of a line here. Slope of a line. This is a condition for tangent of a circle when y is equal to ms plus c. This line touches a circle which is passing through origin, which is having center is origin, which is having origin as a center. And the second condition, the equation of a tangent. He is saying the equation of a tangent which is touches at one point on a circle. The circle is having origin as a center, and with a slope of m, then the equation of tangent line will become y is equal m plus r minus x r into m plus r minus x r into m square plus 1, where m is a slope here and r is a radius. Just you need to substitute the slope and radius values in this expression. You will get the equation of tangent is a equation of tangent to a circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, which is having origin as a center with a slope of m. And the third condition is lx plus my plus n. It is a line which is touches the circle which is having origin as a center, then the condition is n square is equal to r square of L square plus m square, where L is length, where L is the intercept of the line, x intercept of the line, m is the y intercept of y intercept of a line here, r is a radius here. Here m is nothing but not a slope. Here the most important thing is this is a not slope. This is the intercept of y here. R is nothing but radius. L is nothing but intercept of, sorry, quotient of L, here quotient of y here, not intercept here. This is quotient of x, this is quotient of y here. The line, this is Lx plus My plus n is equal 0 is a line here, where n is a constant of a line here. And the point of contact, point of contact is nothing but a line which is touches at one point is called point of contact. If you want to find this point of contact, this is a expression for, this is the point of expression for to find a point of contact, where R is a radius, L is a coefficient of x, m is a coefficient of y, n is a constant of a line here. And the next fourth point is Lx plus My plus n is equal 0 touches a circle which is having a other center not origin, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0 is a condition is L square plus m square into g square plus s square minus c is equal to Lg plus mf plus minus n square whole square is the condition for touches the line a circle. This is the standard form of circle here. And for the circle, x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. Then the tangent is having slope at m, then the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 plus or minus r into square root of m square plus 1, where m is a slope here, where m is a slope, not an quotient of y, where m is a slope here. And for the circle x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square, that is equal to r square, the tangent, a tangent is parallel to one more line. A tangent is parallel to, here like this, a tangent is parallel to one more line. This tangent is parallel to one more line. Then the equation of parallel line is Lx plus My is equal to Lx1 plus My1 plus or minus r into L square plus m square, where m is coefficient of y in a line, where m is not a slope here, not a slope. Remember carefully, y it is slope, y it is intercept. When line is introduced in the concept, it is a quotient of y. When slope is introduced in a concept, m is slope. And the next point is, seventh point is, let m1 m2 and m2 are two slopes of a tangent at one point. For example, m1 and m2 are two slopes of a tangent. Here this is a circle, this is a point here, this is one tangent, this is one more tangent. This is L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0. This is point P of x1 comma y1. These two tangents having a common point, and then the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. This circle is having origin as a center, then sum of two slopes is equal to condition 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus a square, and the product of two slopes is equal to y1 square minus a square by x1 square minus a square. These are the two conditions. This is all about the concept of power of a point and some importance points of a points and the example problems and tangent of a circle and conditions for a tangent of a circle. In next class we are going to learn the normal of a circle here. Thank you.